You're probably wondering how I got myself in this predicament. Well, let me take you back 5 minutes ago when everything was all good.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today, y'all, it's embarrassing, but I am a very clean person. However, since I moved out, I haven't had time to really dedicate like cleanliness to my car. My car has been looking a mess. I'm gonna just show you guys down below, like it's horrible. So yeah, I've had enough because my space inside is clean, but then right when I come outside it's dirty, and it's just like I can't, you know. So we're about to clean my car completely, go to the car wash, wash it out completely. Well, not wash it out, wash the outside completely, vacuum completely. I'm about to actually right now get all the trash out my car first, like, you know, the regular water bottles and like other stuff. I'm not gonna say regular because I think the water bottles are regular, but I don't think all the other stuff I got in my car is regular. So yeah, y'all saw in the video what I have to do. So I'm about to do that, and then after that I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and get like some wipes and little car stuff, you know, to jazz it up a little bit. And then from now on, I'm gonna just keep up a regular routine of keeping it washed, keeping it cleaned out, just keeping it good. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and come along with me because it needs to be done. Okay, so as you guys saw, I got pooped on by a freaking bird, so I cut the video short. I had to go inside, collect myself, and clean myself up. The good thing was it only pooped on my finger and like my wrist, but like exactly. So, which I honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, because I like to make everything, you know, positive, I think that was God, because if I would have filmed myself cleaning every inch of like my car, I would have ran out of time. So I did get all the trash up. I did start filming this really late, and I keep forgetting that the sun sets at like 6. So it's good. I'm good. So I did clean all that out. That would not be on the video, but now I'm about to go into Dollar Tree, get some car stuff, and then I'll be headed to the car wash. And yeah, I'm like, in a matter of seconds, like, I'm literally just like, yeah, content, boom, I'm getting it done. Yeah, then what the fuck, I got pooped on by a freaking bird. Like, but it's okay, y'all. So we about to go in here and make it quick, because again, I did start late. It is literally 4:36, so I don't have that much time. So see you guys when we get inside.
I've been thinking about you lately. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love, feel I need another dose. I know it's a feeling that should be long gone. Things seem to come up when I hear our song. Golden brown girl, it seems so long since I heard your voice. When did the king go wrong? Emotions that they linger on. Guess cause I never knew what love so strong. So many hot girls, I need your warm. The taste of your mouth, girl, I need your warm. Good food and love, I need your warm. It was made before we were born. A dreamer, so I'ma keep dreaming on. It's kinda like the break of a gin and this on.
Yeah, today has been stressful. It just started for me, but it has been stressful. So I went in Dollar Tree thinking this was just gonna be real quick. Went in there, as y'all see, there was like nothing in there. Everything was all over the place. I'm like, okay, whatever, I'll improvise. So I was trying to think of things that I know are safe on cars, but not like gonna damage the car and still gonna do the job. So I did all that. That's what you saw or whatever. And then as I go to the front to check out, why all the car stuff that I needed was in the front. Like, I'm not, first of all, I'm a man when it comes to car smells. Like, I like those masculine smells or the real fresh ones, but the fresh ones don't really cover anything. Like, fresh ones last for like a day. So I'm like a new car, black ice type of girl. So yeah. But I got this citrus stuff, like, I guess, whatever. This is what I went in there for. And like a trash can, this trash can is actually gonna do really good. But yeah, that's what I went in there for. Like some little thingies like this, but I wish it wasn't this smell, but I can do this smell, so it's whatever. And some disinfectant wipes like this, which was in the freaking front hiding. I don't know if I'm gonna put this up because I feel like this with citrus is not gonna go well. But yeah, we're finally on the way to the car wash, so pray for me, you guys, because I do not have any type of energy for anything else negative going wrong right now. So yeah, it is already 5 o'clock, so we have an hour of daylight because I really had a surprise that I wanted to show you guys. I mean, it's a surprise for me. It's really happy for me. I mean, it might be childish or like extra for you guys, but like I want to do it, and if the sun goes down, I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. So just pray the sun doesn't go down, okay? Let's go, y'all.
They say you don't know what you got, so what you got is gone. Yeah, I like such and such a lot, but the feeling's not as strong. People like two birds, never able to fly. I try to pick the right words to say to the sky. Some days I was try, but wasn't able to try. I've never been good at saying goodbye. I take a deep breath when the times is hard. When I reminisce over you, my God. I spent many years trying to be the heart throb. I guess it's only right that I got my heart robbed. The scent of a room that reminds me of you. A hint of perfume that reminds me of you. Take a look at the moon that reminds me of you. Hope the stars and the gods align me with you. Don't know what you got, so what you got is gone. Yeah, I like such and such.
So as you guys can see, it's the next day. I just woke up. I just jumped, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and just put some clothes on so I can finish the video. It is gloomy outside. Like, it's really gloomy. So you guys are not gonna get the effect that y'all would have got yesterday, but it's okay. I'm just nervous because where I park is under a tree. So if you guys don't see my car looking freshly washed, yeah. But now we about to go finish the surprise I had for you guys and also the interior. So let's go. I'm sad, y'all. Like, it's really gloomy outside. I had the whole day planned, y'all. I was so excited. But yeah, better go finish and yeah, stay tuned.
A lot, but the feeling's not as strong. We were like two birds, never able to fly. I try to pick the right words to say to the sky. Some days I was trying, but wasn't able to try. I've never been good at saying goodbye. I take a deep breath when the times is hard. When I reminisce over you, my God, I spent.
Yeah, I don't know why I set myself up. This crap is hard. Well, I mean, it's not really hard, but like, where do I put it? I'm so lost, y'all. I need help.
Many years trying to be the heart throb. I guess it's only right that I got my heart robbed. The scent of room that reminds me of you. A hint of perfume that reminds me of you. Take a look at the moon that reminds me of you. Hope the stars and the gods align me with you.
Y'all, today was a complete fail. Like, excuse my face, I just had a freaking breakdown, and it all started because of my lashes. Like, my lashes just made me go on a whole nother page. Like, but so I will definitely bring the lashes to y'all later. I'm going to show you guys the interior because I finished the interior, and we're just gonna keep it moving because y'all, like, I need a break right now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and yeah, like, y'all know how it is. I'm such a freaking crybaby. Like, it literally just took 2 seconds just to, wow, like, this video has been like literally trying me since yesterday. Like, I don't know why I'm being so tried right now, but whatever. So yeah, keep watching this interior. I really need to get my car detailed and shampooed and things of that nature. So like, it's clean, but like, I still have like spots and stuff from like previous stuff that has nothing to do with me. So like, yeah, but that's all. That's all. Thank you guys. Okay, so I just came up with an idea last minute. I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree real quick, and I'm gonna bungee cord this right there. So I'll be right back.
I've been thinking about you lately. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love, feel I need another dose. I know it's a feeling that should be long gone. Things ain't coming when I hear our song. Golden brown girl, it seems so long since I heard your voice. When did the king go wrong? Emotions that they linger on. Guess cause I never knew a love so strong. So many hot girls, I need your warm. The taste of your mouth, girl, I need your warm. Good food and love, I need your warm.